Hello, Jane Cleland here to talk about comma uses. This is part one. Two common comma uses: direct address and modifying phrases. Direct address: when you refer to someone by name or pronoun, you put a comma before the name or pronoun. Peter, comma, are you ready to go? Are you ready to go, comma, Peter? The second is intervening modifying phrases. A phrase that's plunked down in the middle of a sentence, you put commas before and after it. The desk, comma, along with the contents, comma, was ready to move. Now, could you use parentheses or em dashes? Yes, I'll be getting to those in other YouTube Shorty presentations, but right now we're going to focus on commas. So an intervening modifying phrase, and that phrase could be one word. I was, comma, however, comma, scared to go alone. I know you can do it. Best of luck.